Well, we all know
Baby
I'm.
squeal well.
What the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna win this one. Look at that already. Somebody falling down.
Surprise.
And look, I lost already. How's that surprising?
Oh wow, what a surprise. Robert is dead too.
I'm not surprised, and Alex dies too.
Oh, we gonna go. Fuck with us and then we tweaking, ho.
Yeah, he died about a week ago. And Javier and Robert already. This is going so much
Like I
quicker.
said.
Use Rob.
Suck my ass.
Wait, what the fuck is going on right now? Easy Pale better die. Like, what the fuck are we doing here?
Bitch, you guessed it.
Yeah, I guess you will die. Look at.
Oh, we still have something else.
Come on, just die already.
Boy, if you don't.
Oh, you died. Yes, finally Easy Pale died.
Suck my ass.
What?
Suck my ass. Suck my ass.
You got a baby?
Suck my ass. Suck my ass. Suck my ass. Cause you're no good and better than everybody else.
What the fuck?
That's on me.
Fuck you. I don't want no ravioli, nigga.
Come on,
Out of my face. Chill, nigga.
Alright.
Get all these voices out of here. Oh, alright.
What? I lost the knife.
Shut up.
Suck my ass.
I don't give a fuck.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Hey, I want to be famous. Losers out there, suck my ass.
Oh, okay, we're doing it again, alright? These people won't shut up with these stuff.
No, nigga.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Oh, hell no.
Come on.
No, what the?
Get out of here. I'm trying to watch that right now. I'm trying to watch you win, alright?
The fuck up.
Shut the fuck up. What the
Really, nigga?
Get that out of my
Squeal
face.
well.
Ugh.
Smack him.
Oh, come on. Fuck up. You see, I died, I didn't even know. But oh, come on. You guys won't even let chill for like one match. One match and you guys won't even let me
Suck
get.
my ass.
Come on. Oh, come on. Look, how you still in it, Jack?
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. Look, you gotta kill Nigel, come on. Nah, yep, you won again.
Wait, I gotta do my thing.
21.
Oh my god. When are you guys gonna stop with this? Come on, you guys are gonna... Come on.
No, not you.
Come on, you guys won't even chill out with this.
You better stop.
What the fuck?
Boy, if you don't. The fuck?
Bruh. I'm trying to do a video right now. You guys are doing all this fucking thing. Come on. Bruh. Shut up with that. Oh yeah, I don't even care what you guys do. I gave up on that.
The fuck?
Hey guys, Cyclone X are playing a brand new video.
Come on.
Bitch, if you want a burger, eat a burger. Fucking right now, pussy.
Get the fuck up.
Where's my chips?
I've got balls of steel.
Get out of here. I'm still
Can't
in
touch
the game.
this. Can't touch this.
Yeah, you can't touch it. Come on, can't touch this. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. How am I still in it? I'm still good. I'm too good. I'm still in it.
Fatality.
Bruh.
Uh-oh, retard alert. Retard alert, class.
Come on.
What does the fuck say?
Look at that. I'm still in it. Get that out of here. Oh, I won. Yeah, you see, that's how it is when I win. Shut the fuck up.
Really, nigga?
So, you know what? That's all I'm doing, man. Fuck that.